Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting audio from the module into the phone. Plug a suitable audio interface or TRRS adapter into your phone now. Once connected, set the drum module to line-level output. This reduces noise and prevents clipping. Open your chosen recording app and set sample rate to 48 kHz and bit depth to 24-bit for quality. Make sure manual gain is enabled so you can control levels. This step prevents distortion and captures the full dynamic range of your playing. Now you focus on level setting and routing. Play hard hits while adjusting input gain so peaks hover near -6 dBFS. This gives headroom for transients. Next, choose mono or stereo tracking in the app. Stereo can preserve cymbal shimmer, while mono simplifies mixing. If you hear low-frequency rumble from stands or room, enable a low-cut filter around 80 Hz. Also, monitor with headphones to confirm there's no latency or unwanted feedback before recording full takes. You finish by recording takes, checking each one as you go. Record multiple performances and label files clearly so you can pick the best later. Make a backup right away. When done, export files in WAV or FLAC at the same sample rate you recorded, then transfer via cable or cloud. If you encounter clipping, lower input gain. If latency is audible, enable direct monitoring on your interface or restart the app and reconnect. These quick fixes solve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.